In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create coupon in Gohighlevel 2026, step by step. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where you want the coupon to be created. This is important because coupons are tied to the area you're currently working in, so it's always a good idea to quickly confirm that before making any changes. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Gohighlevel keeps its primary navigation menu, and it's the starting point for finding the payment tools you need. From that left side menu, click on Payments. This will take you into the section where you manage billing-related features, including payment options, products, and of course, coupons. If your menu is collapsed, you may need to expand it first so you can clearly see the labels. After that, move to the top right menu area and click on Coupons. This opens the coupon management page, where you can view existing coupons and create new ones. If you've already made coupons before, they'll appear here in a list for easy reference. Now click on Create Coupon. This brings up the coupon setup form, which is where you'll enter all of the details for your new discount. Take a moment here to review the available fields so you know exactly what information is required. Next, set up your discount coupon by filling out the form carefully. Start by entering the coupon name. This is usually the internal name you'll use to recognize the coupon inside your system, so choose something clear and descriptive. Then add the coupon code. This is the code customers will enter when redeeming the offer, so keep it simple, easy to type, and easy to remember. Using a short, readable code can help reduce mistakes during checkout. After that, select the coupon type. This determines how the discount will be applied, so make sure the option you choose matches the promotion you want to run. Double check this before moving on, since it directly affects the final pricing. Now add the start date and time. This tells Gohighlevel when the coupon should become active. Setting this correctly is especially helpful if you're planning a scheduled promotion or a limited time campaign. Then enter the end date and time. This controls when the coupon expires, which helps create urgency and also prevents customers from using an outdated offer after your promotion is over. Once everything looks correct, click on Create. Your coupon will then be saved and added to your coupon list in Gohighlevel. At this point, it's a smart idea to review the final details one more time to make sure the name, code, discount type, and active dates are all exactly as intended. And that's how to create a coupon in Gohighlevel.